Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you are an engineering student and looking for hackathons, internships or off-campus opportunity, then today's video is definitely for you. So Adobe has officially launched the Adobe University Hackathon 2026 and this is not just another coding competition. Through this hackathon, you can win a MacBook Pro, get a chance to receive a pre-placement interview with the Adobe, earn an internship opportunity with a stipend of rupees 1 lakh per month, and even present your project directly at Adobe's headquarters in Noida. So in today's video, I am going to cover everything you need to know. We will talk about what this hackathon is, who can participate, how to register, important dates, selection process, rewards, preparation strategy, and finally some tips that can improve your chances of getting shortlisted. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, before moving further, let's first understand what exactly the Adobe University Hackathon is. Adobe University Hackathon is one of Adobe's India's biggest annual hackathons for engineering students. Every year, thousands of students from colleges across India participate to solve real world technology problems while competing for exciting rewards and internship opportunities. The theme for this year's hackathon is Speak to Agents, the new language of a brand visibility. Although Adobe has not released the final problem statement yet, the theme clearly indicates that participants will likely work on AI powered solutions involving intelligent agents, automation, creativity, and brand visibility. So, if you are interested in artificial intelligence, full stack development, machine learning, cloud computing, or product development, this hackathon is definitely worth participating in. Now that you know what this hackathon is all about, let's see how you can register. The registration is being conducted through Unstop. I have added the official registration link in the description below. Simply click on that link, log into your Unstop account, open the Adobe University Hackathon 2026 page and click on register. After that, create your team, fill in the required details, verify all team members and submit your registration. One important point to remember is that individual participation is not allowed, so you will need to register with a team. Now let's quickly look at the eligibility criteria. The hackathon is open to engineering students from all years and all branches. Your team should consist of 2 to 3 members. Cross-year teams are allowed. Cross-specialization teams are also allowed. However, all members must belong to the same college or university. Cross college teams are not allowed. Also, one student can be part of only one team. Now, let's look at the important dates because you definitely don't want to miss the registration deadline. The last date to register is 8th August 2026 and the online assessment will be held on 9th August. If shortlisted, the development round starts from the 16th August and the prototype showcase takes place in September, followed by the grand finale at Adobe's headquarters in Noida. So make sure you complete your registration well before the deadline. Now comes the most important part, the selection process. Adobe has divided this hackathon into 4 rounds. Let's understand each one. The first round is an online assessment. It consists of 3 sections. First, you will solve 15 multiple choice questions based on programming logic, algorithms, data structures, and computer science fundamentals. If your basics are strong, this section should be manageable. Now let's talk about the coding challenge because this is where many students either get shortlisted or get eliminated. So you will be asked to solve one medium level DSA problem. Focus your preparation on topics like arrays, string, hash maps, binary search, sliding window, 2 pointer stack, queues, trees, graph, and dynamic programming. For practice, LeetCode, HackerRank, Code Studio, and Code Forces are more than enough. One important tip, don't just focus on getting the correct answer. Practice writing clean, optimized, and readable code because that's something companies like Adobe values. Now, unlike many hackathons that only test coding, Adobe also evaluates your creativity and product thinking. You will be given a business scenario related to AI or brand visibility and asked to propose a practical solution. This section tests your analytical thinking, creativity, communication skills, and ability to solve real world problems. So don't ignore this section during your preparation. Here is one thing many students don't know. Adobe calculates your team score based on the average performance of all team members. That means every member's performance matters. So choose teammates who are serious about preparing and participating. If your team gets shortlisted, then congratulations. Now the real challenge begins. Adobe will release the official problem statement and you will have to build a complete solution. Your submission will generally include your source code, GitHub repository, documentation, and any other files mentioned in the guidelines. So make sure your GitHub repository is well organized, your commits are meaningful, and your README clearly explain your project. Adobe will also organize a live launch session. In this session, Adobe Expert will explain the problem statement, evaluation criteria, submission guidelines, and expectations from participants. You will also get an opportunity to ask questions, so don't skip this session. It can help you better understand what the judges are looking for. Once you have completed your project, Adobe wants to see it in action. In this round, you will build a working prototype that showcases your solution. The judges will evaluate your user interface, user experience, ease of navigation, and how effectively your solution solves the given problem. So remember, it is not just about writing code, a great user experience can make a big difference. Now imagine this, you have made it to the final stage and you are presenting your project directly to Adobe's leadership at their headquarters in Noida. Adobe will take care of your travel and accommodation, making it a fantastic opportunity to showcase your work and network with the industry professionals. Now let's talk about the part everyone has been waiting for, the rewards. The winning team will receive a MacBook Pro for each member. The first runner-up team will receive a MacBook Neo for each member. National finalists will receive exclusive Adobe's merchandise and a sponsored visit to Adobe's office. 50 shortlisted teams will receive certificates from Adobe. The top 50 participants will also have a chance to receive a pre placement interview and an internship opportunity with a stipend of Rs 1 lakh per month. One important note, the internship PPI mentioned in the announcement is specifically for the 2028 batch, so make sure to check your eligibility. Now that you know the complete process, let's discuss how you should prepare. Spend some time every day solving DSA problems, revise your computer science fundamentals, practice coding under time limits. If you qualify for the next rounds, focus on building projects quickly, writing clean code, documenting your work properly, and maintaining an organized GitHub repository. Also, improve your communication skills because explaining your idea clearly is equally important. So that is everything you need to know about the Adobe University Hackathon 2026. If you are eligible, I genuinely recommend participating because opportunities like this can strengthen your resume, improve your skills, and even open doors to future career opportunities with the Adobe. The official registration link is available in the description below, so don't forget to register before 8th August 2026. And also, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and all the very best for the Adobe University Hackathon 2026.